That's the tea, sis. Hi internet, it's your girl, Natalie. If you have 1.5 brain cells and kind of piece those two smidges of information together, this is a Valentine's Day video.
I am fully aware that it is almost April and I'm only just now posting my Valentine's Day makeup video, but don't fucking come for me, okay? I'm not a real YouTuber. Thanks.
I'm sorry if my eyes keep twitching. I put in contacts for the first time and they keep moving. I feel like a crackhead, like I'm tweaking. Okay, so I think the only palettes I'm gonna use today is knockoff Morphe this, and then this knockoff Huda palette, ColourPop eyeshadows, and then a real Huda palette. Hello. So I don't know if you can see, but my skin, disgusting. If this falls down, I'm gonna scream. We're gonna start by moisturizing using this. You can't see. You know a bitch needs it in this fucking cold ass weather. It got like so cold out of nowhere in BC in the past like week. It's ruining my skin. So that's fun times for me. The cold weather, just fuck Canada, first of all. Like, I mean, I'm glad I don't have Donald Trump to deal with, but this weather just ain't it. It's not even like that cold. It's just cold by Vancouver standards. Anyway, it snowed a fuck ton and it ruined my skin, so I'm bitter. I'm bitter from the snow, I'm bitter about my skin, and I'm fucking bitter about Valentine's Day. Fuck Valentine's Day, okay? Fuck this Hallmark ass holiday. It can choke. Don't mind me, I'm just talking shit on Stan Twitter. Which dirty ass brush are we gonna use to start this? I'm gonna start with bubblegum in this palette. We're just gonna do a halo. Oh, I should zoom in the... Ew, zoom in the video so you can watch my contacts move. I genuinely look like I have pink eye. A peachy pink corners. Oh. Okay, so I'm taking that back. That's not what I wanted. These are, I only have peach pinks, like, excuse me. Going in with this pink. I don't know if there's a name for it. Gonna use the color called Pink, just in the very corners using this little brush. I'm gonna go in with terracotta too. Terracotta just a little bit, just to make it not entirely pink. On my Morphe M518 brush that's burned. I don't know if that's cute or not. Oh, it looks really bad on camera, but it looks okay in person. Good enough. Okay, now white in the middle, so I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Concealer, which I think it's honestly pretty decent. It's like a dupe for Shape Tape. Then use the paste brush that I need for glitter after, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but ew. Now we need glitter. That looks so terrible. I can't get it off. Oh my god. Okay, so that's obviously not enough glitter, and we need more. So this might be. See, look at that shit. Hello? Like, hello? Fuck you. So I'm gonna start with a Bobbi Brown face base, King Jeffree Star's fave. I don't have it, but what I do have is a sample of it, so ballin' on a budget, baby. Speaking of foundation, mine doesn't match. I'm paler than a fucking ghost right now. I'm literally so pale that I am transparent, so that's cute and fun and fresh. Today's foundation duo is Makeup Forever and Guerlain. There's like nothing left in here, which is really depressing because it was $69. By the way, this is way too... Anyway, this is way too dark for me. Do you see this? Whatever. There's literally no way, I've tried to open this before, there's no way to open it either, so you're getting screwed out of your mind. Love that. I'm mixing it with CoverGirl Smoothers, so I won't get called out for blackface. Oh, you know what? I think that might match me. They're staying on brand for Valentine's Day by using a pink beauty blender. Since this is way too dark for me, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. It's not even really pale, it matches me right now. I wish my hair was still pink, just for this look. I look fucking crazy. Going in with Pretty Vulgar setting powder. I genuinely don't know if I like this or not, but it had it had better reviews than Laura Mercier, and that's what I was using before, but Laura Mercier was like making me like flaky and gross under my eyes and a little bit like on my forehead, so I needed to try something else. Now that we're crusty, I'm gonna go in with this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Lots of people use the Mario Badescu, lots of people use Fix Plus, but this is like so much better in my opinion for like hydrating and like refreshing. So I put the nozzle of Kat Von D on it because that nozzle is so much better. Don't mind me checking out my tits in the mirror here. Now, eyebrows. So lately I haven't been using Dip Brow. I've been using Precisely My Brow because I've been more into natural brows than dip brows? Dip brows? I don't need to explain what I'm doing here, but. Okay, I'm using Anastasia Contour Kit and using the middle one because that's for pale bitches like me.
One hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
It's amazing how I can just give myself bone structure with makeup. I love that. Fuck a bitch who hates on girls who wear makeup. Like, you're just mad that you don't know how to do a cut, crease, or contour your fucked up face, Becky. So your boyfriend would leave you for me in a second. Don't even try it, sis. Time to contour my nose and then kill myself when I can't do it properly. Remember in the last video when I said that I'm really bad at contouring my nose with cream contour? I don't know how to nose contour, so I'm just gonna get that out of the fucking way right now, okay? So don't come for me. Don't let that fool you. That doesn't mean I'm good at contouring my nose with powder, because I'm terrible at both. I'm just even worse with cream. This is a Valentine's Day cutesy, adorable fucking look. It has to be cute and pinky and that's what we're going for. So I also don't have a blush brush here. I just have the 2018 Rouge brush. So weird flex, but okay. I'm thinking blush and on my nose, like nice and cutesy. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna start off with the lighter pink and Party. That was the birthday gift in 2017. Okay, I look like I just did a power walk. Now we're moving on to this one, the alternative rock one. It's in Bare Minimum. How is she pigmented? I don't know. Okay. I look sunburned. There, blush done. Now's the hard part because I need to draw fucking hearts on my face. Hello. Oh, now you can see my bad freckles. When I'm done this makeup, I'm gonna be so obsessed with myself with these fucking eyes. Using this shade in the Huda Beauty palette and this tiny little brush. Oh God, pray for me. Is that good? looks like shit. Anyway, moving on. This is so difficult and will literally make or break my look, and I'm stressed. So sorry if I'm quiet, but that's what's popping right now. This is what I'm going for, by the way. See, mine looks like chicken pox, and that's not the look I was going for, but... Okay, so this is how my heart freckles turned out. They're kind of trash, but moving on, now we're highlighting. So I have a pink highlighter somewhere. I should have put on highlighter before these hearts, but you can't win them all. Okay, I'm gonna use Cube from Subculture. It's not doing anything. Okay, I don't have a good highlighter, so I'm just going in with the color Faint, which isn't at all the same as the picture on the back. Now I'm going in with a Becca Opal. Ooh. Okay. Mascara. Ugh. I'm just gonna go in with Kush mascara. I was gonna put lashes on, but I can't be fucking bothered. So I'm using Mare. I think I have a dog hair on my eye. I'm gonna lose my shit. Tea, okay. I need brow gel, Anastasia. Why am I obsessed with myself? Morphe setting spray. Even though I don't need setting spray because I'm just gonna take pictures and then take this off. Anyway, this is my Valentine's Day look. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. What does that mean? What does that mean? Yeah, so like and subscribe if you want more shitty content like this. Happy Valentine's Day, and if you have a boyfriend and are celebrating Valentine's Day, you can choke, bitch. Just remember that Valentine's Day is a Hallmark holiday and it doesn't mean shit. So, yeah. Anyway, like if you like the blue contacts, like if you dislike the blue contacts, like if you think I'm gonna have a mental breakdown trying to take these contacts out. That's an automatic like because I will have one. So tea. I hate myself. Send that to your crush. Screenshot that and send that to your crush. Text them like, what's the tea? And they'll be like, what? And then you send them this. Anyway.